So this is Dan Munro on another missionary venture coming to you from Brandenburg Gate. Kathy and I were here just last month as we were on our way to Poland for some ministry, and we stopped by here and we encourage you to pray for a spiritual revival and awakening in Germany. And I came back again today with some friends from Herrenhut, from Jesus House, to take a stand for the unborn, for the over 5 million babies who have been murdered by legal abortion in Germany. Of course, we're also remembering the 62 million babies that have been murdered in America since 1973, and the 1.2 billion babies that have been murdered around the world. 30 to 40 million every year are murdered around the world. And it's very interesting that we're here at Brandenburg Gate, at a place that just 31 years ago, there was a wall here. And you remember the famous Berlin Wall. That wall is marked out right now by these bricks along the road that go around all of former West Berlin to kind of suffocate West Berlin. Well, abortion is like a wall, and within that wall, millions and millions of babies are being murdered every year. And so would you pray with us that there would be an end to abortion, and once again a respect and a love for all human life, especially life in the womb. So pray for America. Pray for America regarding the elections coming up. Pray for Germany for revival. And for those of you that are watching around the world, would you pray that God would send a spiritual awakening to your nation? It requires repenting on behalf of the church, turning from our wicked ways, getting the sin out of our lives, the sin out of our churches, turning to Jesus. And his promises, he said he will heal our land. So would you do that today with me? Would you pray? Thank you. Remember, it's worth it serving Jesus. God bless you.